Today, we're going to do a portfolio update, but before we do that, if you're new here and you never see my channel, my name's Elliot and I upload videos about investing, the stock market, and I do portfolio update videos just like this one. So if that's something you enjoy, give this video a like, subscribe, and let's jump right into it. So my phone should be coming up right about now, and looking at the 1 week, I'm up $77.42 or 1.38%. 1 month, I'm up $153.90 or 2.77%. 3 month chart, I'm up $170.14 or 3.7%. Year to date, I'm up $394.20 or 7.42%. 1 year, I'm up $853.48 or 17.59%. And all time, I'm up $1,768.85 or 44.93%. Going down to the stocks I own, first up is Apple. I have 5 shares. Average cost is $85.26. I'm up $512.75 or 119%. And you can see I have a $1.25 dividend coming in from Apple. All my dividends, I just reinvest them back into the same companies that pay them. And Apple is definitely my favorite tech stock. Year to date, they're kind of flat, but I really enjoy Apple, and they have plenty of room to grow their dividend in the future, which is one of the main reasons I really like Apple. Next up, Microsoft, another great tech company. Year to date, they're up almost 12%. I have 1 share. Average cost is $185.51. I'm up $283.77 or 124%. Next up, we have Amazon. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $110.13. I'm up $167.71 or 69%. After Amazon, we have United Health. I have 0.67 shares. Average cost is $510.12. I'm up $2.52, not even a full percent. And this stock right here really shows how powerful dollar cost averaging can be. Because if you've been following my channel for a while, I actually started buying this stock right around $550, I'd say. And I've been able to average down over the last year to $510.12. So that really shows how much of an impact dollar cost averaging can have on your portfolio. After United Health, we have Visa. I have 1 share. Average cost is $226.40. I'm up $62.91 or 22%. And I really like Visa. I know all my cards are Visa, and I'm really big into investing in companies that I use every day. So Visa stock is a must for me. After Visa, we have Starbucks. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $78.49. I'm down $8.36 or 3%. And looking at the 1 month chart, Starbucks is down pretty bad right now. You can see that they were up around $87, $88, and then they fell all the way down to $71. So I did dollar cost average a little bit with this dip going on, and I was able to get another share. Now with their stock going down, it's not like there was anything wrong with the company or anything. It's just they had a bad quarter. So I'll take advantage of that. And Starbucks does have a good dividend yield. They have a dividend yield of 2.89%. Sometimes Robinhood is off a little bit with the dividend yields, but in general, they're in the ballpark. After Starbucks, we have Waste Management. I have 1 share. Average cost is $105.50. I'm up $119.85 or 98%. After Waste Management, we have Coca-Cola, another great dividend stock. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $50.29. I'm up $42.91 or 25%. Pepsi, I have 1 share. Average cost is $175.82. I'm up $4.58 or 2%. Fastenal, I have 2 shares. Average cost is $45.50. I'm up $48.18 or 47%. And I do have an 86-cent dividend coming in from Fastenal. Year to date, Fastenal is up almost 5%. After Fastenal, we have Bank of America. I have 4 shares. Average cost is $26.18. I'm up $49.90 or 47%. And Bank of America is doing really good this year. They're up 15%, getting close to 16%. I haven't bought on recently, but about a year ago, they did have a big dip where they went from $32 all the way down to $25, and I did buy a few shares then. But I really like Bank of America. They too pay a good dividend. Dividend yield 2.46%. So I really like Bank of America. Next up is AbbVie. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $138.21. I'm up $48.09 or 16%. And I have a $3.19 dividend coming in from AbbVie. Next up is Abbott. I have 1 share. Average cost is $102.18. I'm up $1.87 or 1%. And I have a 56-cent dividend coming in from Abbott. Next up is American Water. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $140.29. I'm down $14.79 or 5%. After American Water, we have SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $158.53. I'm up $138.52 or 43%. And year to date, we are up 31% with this ETF. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $106.98. I'm up $15.11 or 12%. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $357.03. I'm up $170.93 or 34%. And that is the last stock that I own. So if you enjoyed the video, please take the time to give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what's your thoughts on my portfolio. And also, what stocks are you guys buying? And we'll see you next time.